Happy birthday, Tito Melan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Malan!
Happy birthday, Tito Melanie.
Happy birthday, Tito Melan.
Happy birthday, Malan! I hope you continue your recovery and always just pray to God na sana yun, pagalingin ka na niya ng lubusan. Yun. So, happy birthday from the Apelos in Cebu.
Kailan? Happy birthday.
Birthday, bro.
Kaya namin, pagaling ka.
Galing ka. Get well.
Hi Milan, happy birthday. Pagaling ka, miss ka na namin, see you soon.
Hi, Malan!
Kapatid!
Hello! We miss you!
We miss you, Melan.
Pagaling ka na.
Yes, balik ka na soon, please.
Hindi ka namin pinapabalik dahil maraming trabaho.
Kaya naman ni Francis. Di ba, Franz?
Thanks to your team, nakakandal naman nila. But balik ka na, hindi na kami galit sa'yo. But yeah, great, ka na. Very, ang ganda, ang sarap ng feeling na eto, birthday mo na, masaya kami for you. Laban lang, kaya-kaya mo yan, especially that you are blessed with a great wife, Raz, and friends as well. Even your family surrounding you right now. You're very blessed. So laban lang, kaya-kaya mo yan.
Yes, we're getting updates from Ras then. Thank you, Ras. So happy to see Melan up and about na. I also shared the new videos mo to our friends, kina AJ, Jack, and Clairwyn, and they're really happy to see your progress. So we're all praying for you. And really hoping to talk to you again soon sa mga teams meeting na kahit everyday. Gusto mo?
Nagkakasawaan na kami ni Francis.
Sawa na kami kay Francis. Joke lang.
But ayun, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless you!
Bye! See you soon, kapatid!
Bye!
Yo, Milan, happy birthday. Kapatid, kamusta ka na dyan? Okay ka na ba? Sana okay ka na. Para usap naman tayo ulit. Miss ka na namin eh. Sige, pagaling ka ha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Milan!
Yo, pare Milan, kumusta? Happy birthday nga pala. Balik ka na pre, di na kami galit. Miss ka na namin.
Okay, happy
Birthday pre, and get well soon.
Happy birthday, pre. Pagaling ka na, ha? See you soon.
Hi Milan, happy birthday. Miss ka na namin. Wala kaming kasama dito sa frozen room. Pagaling ka. Tapos, sana makita ka na namin soon. Magpagbisita ka para mapuntahan ka namin. Sige, susunod na lang. Bye-bye.
Yo, Milan, happy birthday. I wish for all your wishes to come true this year and magkita-kita pa tayo this coming yung party natin sa reporting team. Hoping for you the best. Bye-bye.
Hey yo, brother man. Milan, what's been up? I want to wish you a happy birthday. And yes, hopefully we get to see you soon. And laban lang.
Hi, kapatid. Milan, hope you're doing well. We are praying for your complete recovery. Me and my family wish you a happy birthday. See you soon, brother, and God bless you.
Elaine, message for Melan.
Happy birthday, Milan. Pagaling ka. Saka stay jolly.
Happy birthday, Melan! Get well soon. We miss you.
Happy birthday to you.